So this is just a little video about when you have data in categories like that, and you're often asked to find out various statistics from it. So sometimes you might be asked for the modal class or the modal category sometimes. So you know that the mode, hopefully, is the data value that there's most of. So the modal class or the modal category is the category that there's most data in. So in this case, it's weight of teachers in kilograms, so X is that. So you've got some teachers that are between 60 and 70 kilograms, between 70 and 80, 80 and 90, 90 and 100, 100 and 110. If somebody's exactly 80, then the more less than or equal to symbols tell you that they go in that category rather than that category. And the category with the most teachers in is this one that's got 8 in. So the modal class or the modal category is X between 70 and 80. So it's just the group that there's the most in. You're sometimes asked for the median class or the median category. So it's just the group that contains the middle person. So numbers of teachers in each of these groups, 7, 8, 4, 2, 1. So adding these up, 15, 19, 21, 22. So the middle person is person number 11 and a half. So you've just got to think which category is person number 11 and a half in. Well, first 7 people are in the first group, then up to the 15th person is in the second group. So person number 11 and a half must also be in that category. So it's just the category with the middle person in. Okay, so the last thing in this video is the mean. Now you don't have the data to work out the exact mean because you don't have the exact weights of the teachers, you just have categories that they fall into. But you can certainly make an estimate of the mean. So the estimated mean is what we're going to work out. Now, that's what these extra columns are for. The first category, you've got 7 teachers between 60 kilograms and 70 kilograms. They could all be 60, they could all be 70. You don't know, so you make your best estimate that they are all in the middle. So I'm going to go the midpoint of that category is 65. We're going to work on the assumption that they're all 65 kilograms. Same with the next category. They're between 70 and 80. You've no idea where they are, but you make your best guess that they're all 75 on average. Next group, 80 to 90. So let's just work on the basis that they're all bang in the middle, 85. Same with the next group, 95. Same with the next group, 105. Now, the mean is going to be the total of all the weights divided by how many people. So let's work out the total of all the weights, and this is what this next column is for. If there's 7 people, and they all weigh, in our assumption, 65 kilograms, then the total of all that weight is 7 times 65, which, if I can do that right in my head, is 455. 8 people, all weighing 75 in our assumption. 8 times 75, that's what, 600. And then 4 people that we're all assuming are weighing 85. 4 times 85, 340. 2 people weighing 95, that's 190. And 1 person weighing 105, that's 105. So if we add up the total of all of the weight, 455 plus 600, 340, well, I'm going to have to just slow down a bit here. 0, carry the 1, should have done this before, shouldn't I? 9, 18, 19, carry the 1, 10, 15, 16, 1,690. So that's a total weight of 1,690 kilograms amongst 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 people. Yep, 22 people. Now, if I'd been a bit smarter, I'd have just made it out of 22 people so that it would divide more easily. But the estimated mean is 1,690 divided by 22, which is, well, whatever that comes to. You can work that out yourself. But if you're showing you're working for a question like this, so you basically want to be showing 7 times 65 plus 8 times 75 plus all of those added up divided by the total. You probably want the totals at the bottom of this table here, and that's all being divided by 22. But the key point with group data like this is having to make the assumption that they're all in the middle of the category, because you don't know any better.